Hello guys, welcome to my video camera comparison Galaxy S25 Ultra versus Galaxy S24 Ultra. Okay, let's start. "4K 60 fps front camera on both devices." On both devices can record video 4K 30 fps, 4K 60 fps, 4K 120 fps, and 8K 30 fps. 4K video on both phones look very nice and high quality. More natural on Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is video zoom test on both devices. What do you think? Which one better? On both phones can video zoom from 1.8 to 28. Looks so smooth when I switch lens. On both phones can record video 4K 120 fps. Galaxy S25 Ultra and S24 Ultra can video record 8K 30 fps, high resolution. I really like video zoom 8K on both phones. It looks so smooth. Okay guys, this is portrait video on both phones. And this is super steady mode. 200 megapixel main camera on both phones. 50 megapixel ultra wide on Galaxy S25 Ultra and 12 megapixel ultra wide on Galaxy S24 Ultra. 12 megapixel selfie camera on both phones. And 30 megapixel periscope telephoto on both devices. Okay guys, this is low light video test on both devices. A lot of noise on S25 Ultra and brighter on Galaxy S24 Ultra. S24 Ultra look better and clearly than Galaxy S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra waiting for software update. Let me know you think, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Let me know you think. You can comment down below and I will see you next time. Goodbye.